What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Faceless Man, back at it. Monday morning, it's like 1:40 a.m. You like my blinds, right? I'm up, so I decided to share something with you guys. It's not quite a song, but it's just things that I wrote down from the heart. So I hope you like it. Against all odds is what we faced. It's been a long time coming, but I'm glad we're at this place. No one said it would be easy, but God doesn't make mistakes, and I'm happy you're here. Please believe me. Complicated at first, but things got better. My feelings can't be explained just by action, so I wrote this letter. Conversations written on paper always come out more clear. You allow me to open up and let go of my fears. They say love is pain, so at times I shed some tears, but all that resulted in us being here. We're both happy and not afraid to express our emotions. Sometimes my feelings get bottled up. However, you're the one with the potion. You feel good on my skin as if you were lotion. And to you I'll remain true, never question my devotion. In a land of negativity, it's easy to focus on the wrong, but we can be each other's rock. In other words, remain strong. I'm not trying to write a sappy love song. Just know that life is short, so let your passion live long. I make love to the pen, so the paper gets wet. That's a metaphor, which I don't expect all to get. Because right now it's dripping with black juices. My task almost complete, which makes for perfect execution. I'm far from ordinary, and at times it may be scary, but I overcome that feeling. And the things that I share can be somewhat revealing. As a result, my mind is free now more than ever. Shots thrown my way, but that just makes me more clever. Even when I'm down, I'm up for anything. Making my people proud, let's see what God brings. Prosperity is what I see in the near future. Those I love living good, while the others I give a boost up. Tending on the inside because I don't want anyone to see me. They always say be your idols, but I'm just trying to be me. And with that, I conclude. Hope y'all like it. Comment, let me know what you think. God bless. Peace.